Well, hello everybody. So, 2 videos in a short span of time showing Wendy without her makeup. I know, it's crazy. Anyway, got another unboxing Happy Meal. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but loving it. Yeah, it's wonderful. And, she pledges something. She's not going to follow through, but at least she's got the idea. Stay tuned, see what's up.
Well, hello everybody. It is Saturday, November 2nd, I believe. And I got another Happy Meal. This one is from Paula. And if I'm remembering correctly, she accidentally ordered the same painting twice and asked me if I would like her duplicate. And yeah. Well, now here's the thing. So it arrived a couple days ago, but I haven't had a chance to actually record a video. But when I went and saw it sitting outside the door, Paula lives like right down the street. She's right in Clearwater, which is like, I don't know, depending on where in Clearwater, 20, 30 minutes away. So she's a neighbor. So, hey, Paula, maybe one of these days we'll go down to one of those little stitch and gabs at the cross stitch store down there in Largo. Maybe we'll do that together sometime. Be fun. Can't remember the last time I went out with anybody other than my husband. Been a really long time. Okay, anyway, let's see what Paula sent. And she sent it overnight. My goodness, Paula. But then she's got a sticker on here that says, "Be brave." Be brave. Spread kindness. Create every day. That's very cute. Oh, it's the little things. Very cute. Very cute. But thank you very much, Paula. I really appreciate it. Let's see what it is. Be brave. Okay. Oh, and if anybody was wondering, the misdelivered package that went to that rental house, and I left the note on the garage door, I never heard from them. Brian thinks they're creeped out that somebody who is wandering around their house illegally would drive over there and leave a note on the garage. I don't know, maybe. It's a Diamond Art Club. Oh my goodness. It's wrapped in Christmas paper, inside out, frozen. That. Oh, Paula. Oh. Come here. Oh. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look what she sent. Paula sent Elizabeth. It's a big one. 55 by 94. I love the Mandy Manzano paintings. Thank you so much, Paula. I really appreciate it. I love the colors. I am really big in the gold and red. I love that. That's kind of how our house is decorated. Love it. And then, of course, for something different, my craft room is, you know, the teals and the blues and greens and aquas and all that, because, you know, we have a little bit of a decorating discrepancy between me and Brian. Brian believes in continuity and flow, so, you know, picked a color and went with it through the entire house, which is reds and golds and browns. I've always had like Victorian homes, and I do every single room in a totally different theme. Throws him off. So I needed something other than red in here. But yeah, so that's why I did this room in these colors. Something different. But yeah. So somebody commented about my big crafting space. So yeah, this is my craft room that turned into my office when I started working from home. So I have this big desk. And then here's my little video making stitching corner. So I have my stand that Sweet Tea gave me. And then what I do is I've got this, this hot light with a clip. I actually just clip my phone right onto the clip for recording. And then, of course, it's got the light and the magnifying glass. The light that I bought on super duper clearance and I got it working, it died. So now it's going to become like a camera stand or something, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. So we're getting close. I'm going to try to do an actual, like, stick with me video this weekend. I know it's been a really long time since I've done anything diamond painting related. So maybe I'll try and pull up some tag questions so I have something to talk about, because I'm kind of out of practice, and maybe we'll work on this together. But way back when I did a video on my little pin board, so that's what I do with it. It hangs here during the day with all of my materials for work, all of my cheat sheets and phone numbers and all that, and then I just stick it up there on the weekends to hide it. But yeah, so, but that's my stand pillars, but I still use the cardboard trays that I made out of diamond painting boxes for all of the trays. And then when I'm not using them, I happen to have a nice long shallow drawer. I put them all in here, put them away when I actually want to clean this up. But if I wanted to, I could terrace it up. Maybe I'll terrace it up for the stick with me video. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so yeah, thank you very much, Paula. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I need to finish a painting so that we can move on to something else. No, I have not found out who sent the Diamond Art Club owl. I have a feeling it was Diamond Art Club themselves, but I'm not positive, because I went to go to their website to try and find it, to link the painting in the description of the video, and it's nowhere to be found on that website, so I don't know where it came from. Yeah. All right, well, just again, a little quick video unboxing Elizabeth. Thank you so much, Paula. Love it. Very, very sweet of you. And I will try and throw this video together real quick, get it edited, get it out, and try and record something else today. Don't know if this weekend's going to be a pool weekend. It's looking a little cloudy and it's a little cool. It's cooled off here the last couple days. Now, of course, it's not like a lot of you where it's snowing, but it's a lot cooler than it was last week. Last week we were still in the 90s. Today it is 75 degrees. So, yeah. Cooled off. And Jasmine needs her bath. So maybe somebody else last night when I was in Mrs. Coffee's live, somebody asked for another chapter of the book. So maybe I'll record Jasmine's bath and read the book over the top of that. That'll be coming out later this week because those take a really long time to edit. But that's it for right now. Yeah. I don't have anything else to say. I've got some new subscribers, I noticed. So, yeah, here's a little tour of my craft room. There you go. That's a very small tour. But, yeah. I don't know. I'm rambling. I've only had 1 cup of coffee. And I've got to clean this up now. But Anna, yes, I still have like 95% of the snacks that you sent to do the taste test. We did bust into the cheese balls. Those are good. Yep. And I ate all of the kind of the normal chocolate bars. Like these things, I ate like the milk chocolate and stuff. But I still have a lot of it. Lots of stuff to taste test. Maybe we can get Brian in a really good mood and do a tasting. Okay. I think that's it. I'm just trying to get this thing over 10 minutes long. My little peacock. Gosh, you know, you guys have just made me so happy in how generous everybody has been to me. Everywhere I look in this room, there's things that my friends have sent to me, gifts all over the place. I mean, little stuffed animals and the peacock and my washi tape and my containers, and it's just, you guys are wonderful. I love you all so much. I need to get back into YouTube a little bit more because I miss you all. I love you guys. Okay, with that said, let's get this video out so I can work on something else so that maybe I can be a little more consistent. However, there are a handful of you who are enjoying the random videos that I put out. All kinds of weird stuff, but all right. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, what is wrong with you? I'm just kidding. See you in the next one. Hopefully it won't be too long. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Alright, so that's a whole lot of motivation for a woman who just woke up and only had 1 cup of coffee, but I don't know. Lots of comments will probably keep her motivated so that, you know, she'll start putting out more videos and stop playing that damn game. Yeah. Anyway, obviously she loves you all to be seen without her makeup on, because, whew, that's hideous. Okay. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Please, leave a comment. She loves comments. Just don't be rude. Okay, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.